Let's continue. File and directory permissions. As part of Linux for AWS data engineering, we are discussing file and directory permissions. In that, let's continue directory permissions. First of all, how to know whether it is a file or directory. So we use ls-l or we can use ll command. Then it will display complete files and directories. List of files and directories in current working directory. So here, if we see first character is D in file or directory permissions, then we can call it as a directory. If we see first character is hyphen, then we can say that is a file. Okay, first point. Second one thing. Second one, default directory permissions. What are default directory permissions? Let me create a directory. Let me create a directory. We already created a directory. Let's say we use mkdir command. We use mkdir command and we create directory. Okay. So we already created one directory called program. So this is programming directory permissions. These are programming directory permissions. Okay. Let me when I execute ls-l, it is displaying this directory programming. Okay. So in this, let's say first three characters are for owner. After this one, okay. These first three characters are for owner. Next three characters are for group members. Next three characters are for other members. Other members. Okay. So owner read write execute means 7. Group members read write execute means 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. Other people read and execute means 4 plus 1 5. These are default permissions for directory is 777 sorry 775 default permissions. Now let's understand umask value. Now let's understand umask value. So here we already know about file. So full permissions are 66, default permissions are 664, and umask value is 002. Coming to directory, full permissions. When we can say full permissions, read, write, execute. When directory for other groups contain read, write, execute, we can say full permissions. What are default permissions? Owner 7, group members 7, other people 5. If you minus this default with full permission, you will get umask value is 002. So file umask value is 002, directory umask value is 002. Now let's start understanding creating directory. We already created a directory called program, and we displayed file permissions. Okay. Then I want to remove read and execute permission to others. Read and execute permission to others. Then tell me to chmod 770 to programming directory ls-l. You can see read write execute for owner, read write execute for group, removed read and execute from others. Next one. Next one. Remove read permission to group. Only read. Tell me. So I'm using chmod. Read means what? 4. If you minus 4 in 7, how much you will get? 3, right? Only write and execute. Write to execute is 1, 3, 730. Then ls-l. You can see for owner read write execute, but group members only write and execute. Other people no permission. Next one tip. Give read write permission to group and others. Chmod group and others. Sorry. Group and others plus which one we want to give? Read and write. Read means R, write means W. On which one? Programming. Then ls-l, you can see read write execute, read write execute, and only read. Only read. Next one. Too. I want to give all permission to everyone. Then you can give chmod 777 on programming. Then you can see ls-l. You can see owner read write execute, group read write execute, other people also read write execute. So in this way, we can change directory permissions too. If you want to change file or directory permissions, we use chmod. Change modification. Okay, clear, writing? How to change file or directory permissions?